Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to make your Threads posts more fun and eye-catching with GIFs? Today, I'll show you how to post GIFs on Threads in just a few seconds. Step 1. Open Threads. Launch the Threads app on your device. Tap the New Post icon at the bottom to start creating a post. Step 2. Tap GIF option. Tap the GIF icon in the post creation screen. This will open the built-in GIF browser instantly. Step 3. Browse or search GIFs. Scroll through featured GIFs or use the search bar. Type keywords to quickly find the perfect GIF. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 4. Select your GIF. Tap on any GIF you like to add it to your post. It will instantly appear inside your post editor. Step 5. Add caption. Type a caption or message to go along with your GIF. This helps make your post more engaging and expressive. Step 6. Post your GIF. Tap the post button to publish your content. Your GIF will now be visible on your Threads profile. And that's how you can post GIFs on Threads. Subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.